Holiday cactus get their names because they bloom near the famous holiday season, around the time of Thanksgiving and Christmas. Thanks to their blooming attribute, they get their names accordingly. 1. Christmas cactus. It flowers in stunning shades of yellow, pink, red, white, or purple and lasts for several days. Keep it in a warm and humid condition and watch it thrive. 2. Easter cactus. It can be an attractive addition to your house thanks to the star-shaped flowers that last for days. And yes, it does well in filtered sun. 3. Thanksgiving cactus. The plant is instantly recognizable due to its unique foliage, with serrated or toothed leaves, which it's also famous for as crab claw cactus. It produces long, tube-like flowers in purple, orange, red, pink, peach, or white colors. 4. Miniature Easter cactus. With thin, trailing foliage, you can also grow this in hanging baskets. It has finger-like plump leaves and grows charming flowers in baby pink color. 5. True Christmas cactus. Thanks to its vivid flowers that are large and long-lasting, it can brighten up any space. Its leaves also have a slightly different shape as compared to the Christmas cactus. 6. Orchid cactus. This cactus is native to southern Mexico and grows funnel-shaped flowers in bright red color. It grows best in indirect sunlight, but exposure to bright morning sun is beneficial. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.